Hi, welcome back to Wee Brown Van. We're in Dumfries and the campsite we're at today is called Barnsoul. And we've got set up already. I'm sitting in the awning, and if you're wondering what's going on here, well, we've been up and we've had our showers. So what we find is it's a great place to dry our towels, especially, you know, on a windy day like this today. The wind is coming in the awning, the towels are flapping around a little bit and they'll be dry in no time. But if you think it's windy here, when we left our last campsite at Knockray Meadow, it was blowing a hoolie. Now thankfully, we'd taken down the awning the night before because it was starting to get blustery at that point. But in the morning, we were quite cosy in the van, but we could see outside the bushes and the trees were shaking about. But of course, Kira still has to get her walk in the morning regardless of the weather. So we got the waterproofs on, and out we went to brave the weather together. We just thought we'd do a quick lap of the campsite, do it quite quickly, and then we'd get ourselves back to the van. Gave Kira a good old shake down with the towel to get her dry. Yeah, I'll get you dry, okay. But there was no rest for the wicked. Trish and I had to go out again, of course, to get the screens off the outside of the van. The rainbow screens are great, but of course they're external screens, so you need to go outside into the weather to take them on and off. And because they're so big, it can be quite difficult handling them in the wind. They just want to take off like a kite sometimes. Then Dan and Mazzy from the Travel Trolls popped round to say goodbye, and that was really nice to see them again. They popped round in their motorhome because they were ready slightly before us, and I'm not sure if it was us they came to see or if it was Kira. I think they both took a bit of a shine to Kira, and Dan kept kind of teasing her, trying to get her into his motorhome. I don't know if he was maybe up to something, you know, something about that guy. I just don't know if I trust him altogether. Time now to get the drone up into the air and let you see the campsite from above. Yeah, a really good view from this drone. I've actually added some captions in just to let you see the various places around this site. Okay, that's the map. You kind of guessed that, didn't you? We'll show you around the campsite now for real. We're just going to have a cup of coffee and then we'll head out. As we sit in the van having our coffee, the wind decides that it's not quite finished with us yet and decides to send a little bit more our way. But we head out anyway to do our wee tour of the campsite. We're starting at the dog exercise area because it's right at the entrance. It's a wooded area and space enough to let your dog off the lead and do what it needs to do. The area backs onto some farmland with black-faced sheep sitting around grazing or having a wash. Directly across from the dog area is the reception, and from there the road leads to the touring pitches, and that's where we are. Next you come to the bothies. These are wooden camping huts with outdoor barbecues and fire pits that you can hire. Trish had a wee peek. There's a couple of bunk beds in there, a sofa and a mini little kitchen area. You soon come to the facilities block where there's toilets and a useful notice board and a vending machine. And in here there's a microwave, toasters, 3 hot plates and washing up. The showers are standalone cubicles and are really good. There's a barbecue hut and 2 kids' play areas for kids of most ages. Please note, however, that children can run up to 10 miles per hour, so do watch out for them in case one of them knocks you down. Further on are these little camping pods. There's a really nice little wildlife pond which attracts barnacle geese. In the UK, these birds are found mostly in this area, the Solway Firth, but also over on the island of Islay. We were lucky enough to see these proud parents showing off their 5 little goslings. Just beside the pond is the start of a dog walking route. The best thing that we found about staying at this site is that there's an ancient hill fort and a medieval farm settlement that you can walk to, starting from right here inside the campsite. If you saw our recent Yellow Craigs video, you'll have seen that we're in the habit of naming trees. That's an interesting tree, isn't it?
This is the turtle tree.
The turtle tree.
This is its neck. There's its eyes, its mouth, and here's its feet. It's the turtle tree.
It's a pretty ugly looking turtle.
Oh, he's lovely.
We're still on the right track, and the sign is pointing us towards an open field. It's a 15-minute walk across the field, and we give Kira some ball play as we go. Just through the gates, we see the prehistoric hill fort at the top of the hill. Well, it would be, wouldn't it? There's a stone wall right around the fort. Some of it could be original, and some of it could be reconstructed. There's mature trees on the perimeter of the fort all the way around the top of the hill. There's a grave here. I thought it would be ancient, but it's not. It's very recent, in fact, 1983. If you wonder why we're not saying very much, well, this is why. Somebody's had a campfire here and left their empty cans lying around. Trish has taken them away. It makes us quite angry how irresponsible some people can be. There's just time to take in the views before we go. We can see the campsite from here. The blue VW pop top is parked across from us, but we're behind some trees and we can't see Maggie. On the way back, we spot these piles of stones. We think these are the remains of the walls from the medieval farm. It's another day, an extremely blustery one, as you might be able to tell. It didn't start off this way. We were woken up as usual by Kira. She jumped on us in the morning and squeezed her way into bed. And at that point, it was really quite nice. The sun was coming in the window. But by the time I got up, the rain had started, and it was absolutely pouring it down again. Rain, rain, rain. That's all we've had today. So we've pretty much hung around the campsite today, but we did promise ourselves a barbecue. So I've already started it outside. The wind is really getting it going. So that's the barbecue in, and the solution for us, because of the extreme wind, is just to bring the barbecue in and have it in this little space between the awning and the van. So it should be just about ready for cooking now. Yeah, there it is. I'm just getting that plate nice and hot. Are we coming along with the ingredients?
That's yours. That's my veggie burgers. Onions. Monterey Jack cheese. And I'll cook the chips on the Ridge Monkey.
Chips on the Ridge Monkey. What could be better? I'm going to sit myself down here.
Cheers!
Cheers! And the ultimate burgers are on. So this is mine, proper real beef burgers. That's Trish's there. I'm not allowed to touch these because cross-contamination, meat and non-meat, and Trish is pescatarian, so I'm being careful with these. The onions already on, looking good. Right, that should be Trish's burgers, veggie burgers ready. I've already put some cheese on this one. It's quite gooey. There's a lot of bacon here. I mean a lot of bacon. And I'm just going to throw it all on because what can't be eaten can go in the fridge and reheated tomorrow. Because there's absolutely no way I'll be able to eat all that. How's the burger?
Really good. It's Meatless Farm. I've not tried these before, but they are very, very nice. Even Kira likes them.
I'm surprised if it's not got any meat in it.
She does.
Right, how's mine's coming along? Right, so I've already given this stuff a little sugar around. Time for the Monterey Jack cheese. Chips in the Ridge Monkey. Oh, that's oven chips, isn't it?
Yeah, microwave chips.
Microwave chips, wee box of them. In the Ridge Monkey, job done. Oh, lovely. Right, time to plate up.
Okay.
Right, the ultimate burger.
Burger.
Burger, cheese topped burger. Some bacon, please.
Bacon.
Yep.
First layer of bacon. Yeah.
The ultimate burger. In the making. Another burger.
Yeah.
With cheese. More cheese.
And onions in it.
Yep. Oh, you have to get the onions. Yeah, can I have some more bacon, please?
Yeah, she's getting more.
A bit more bacon on the top.
More bacon?
Yeah, some more bacon. That's fine, thank you. So, what's next? Gherkins. Oh yeah, get those on there. Here are the geese. The geese are going by.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we put the top on.
Oh. Oh yeah. Chips look no bad, don't they? Shouldn't that go inside?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Wee Brun Van Ultimate Burger.
Yeah. The question is, can I get my chops around that?
Good luck with that.
Right, I'm sitting down for this, and the specs are off. Whoa. That's a thing of beauty, isn't it? So, first thing, this is coming out.
You just have to take it.
Hey. Oh. Whoa. Well, my mouth's not that big, so anyway, here goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You need to leave me alone now because I'm going to be tucking into this. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm stuffed.
No wonder. The 2 burgers, bacon, gherkins, cheese, chips,
good.
salad.
It was good.
At least you'd salad.
It was very good. It's a good job that Kira's hiding my belly, I'm telling you. Listen, I just wanted to say a big thanks to everybody who has subscribed to the channel recently. There's been a lot of you. We've noticed a big jump in our subscriber numbers, so really thanks very much to everybody who has subscribed.
Yeah. But did you know there are a lot of you who are watching and have not subscribed? So please subscribe to us. It helps our figures a lot.
Aye, it does, and it really does. It encourages us to make more videos. The more of you that subscribe, it means a lot to us. So thanks again for that. We're going to hang around here for a few days, so there'll probably be another vlog from this site, or at least the start of the next one. Okay? Thanks again, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye!
Ta-da!